Welcome back to the channel, Collective Gamer 77 here, and today we'll be reviewing the Hori mini fight stick for the Nintendo Switch and also compatible with the PC. I've got the Ryu and Chun versions here. Both are basically the same as far as physical dimensions, build quality, and control feel. These are mini joysticks, and as you can see here, pretty easy packaging, easy to take out. Size comparison, it's not much bigger than 2 cans of pop. The build quality itself is very well done. It is a fairly light plastic. There's really nothing you can open. This is a great entry-level joystick, mini fight stick for either the PC or Nintendo Switch. And as you can soon hear, the joystick is pretty quality. Now both of these sticks retail for about $59.99 at time of purchase. I got this from Amazon, and they were actually on sale for about $50 each. So they go on sale fairly often, every other month or so. So at $50, I definitely recommend. Even at $60, I would recommend it, especially if you have Amazon Prime and the free shipping. Up next is the Chun version. Same quality as far as restrictor gate and buttons. Now both of these sticks are a great recommendation for fighting game enthusiasts that has never really played on a stick. You don't want to spend too much. You don't want to spend the $160 to $250 on a professional fight stick, especially if you're not sure how well you pull your combo. That said, I do recommend these sticks. They're very well made for what they are. Again, they're anywhere usually between $50 to $60, and in that price range, there isn't really a lot of sticks, or aren't a lot of sticks, that are of the same quality. There is the upcoming 8-bit Do for $89.99, which is a bit bigger, but these sticks do very well for what they are. That said, I think this is a great mini stick to kind of, it's great for travel. I'm actually using this right now on my Razer Blade Stealth 13, playing some fighting games, so it's good if you want to take it on a game with you. It's, to game with you, and it's not so large and take a lot of room in your backpack. It is compatible, of course, with the Switch and the PC. Unlike the larger brother, the Hayabusa or the Pro, there isn't a switch that toggles between either a Nintendo Switch or a PC. It just automatically recognizes as soon as you plug it in. I had no trouble whatsoever pulling off Zangief's 720 motions in order to do his pile driver. The buttons, again, even better. Not as good, of course, as a $160 or $250 stick, but they were very responsive. A light tap was enough to, of course, activate them. It's just plug it into dock and play, you're good to go. Fortunately, the last few months ago, the Nintendo Switch did update it, so you can basically go ahead and map the buttons however way you want, so it definitely helps as well. Of course, since it's designed for the Switch, it's immediately plug and play, so no worry there is what I meant. As far as we're using on a PC, same. All the 3 games that I've shown here: Ultra Street Fighter 4, King of Fighters 13, or even, of course, playing the Capcom Dungeons of Mysteria, which plays like Final Flight. Works really well. The build quality is fairly decent plastic. The cord itself is very long. It seems to be about 8, possibly 10 feet. Of course, it is USB. And, again, it's great for the Nintendo Switch. It's great also if you have friends that come over that maybe aren't also used to fight sticks. And say you're having a gaming night and you don't want to sacrifice your more expensive stick to the gaming gods, especially if they do a lot of button mashing. So this stick is a great way for them to still have the joystick arcade experience, and not thrash your now collectible Mad Catz Tournament Edition Plus stick, or your Razer Panthera, or the Hori Hayabusa Pro, or some other stick that of course cost quite a bit more. Since these sticks are really kind of a bargain at about $50 to $60, they are not user replaceable easily. There are some screws on the button on the joystick itself. I did not unscrew them, so I didn't want to strip them or anything, so I don't know how replaceable the joystick and buttons are, as far as replacing it with a different restrictor gate, or of course replacing the buttons. The buttons themselves are a bit smaller, so the pros for this joystick is that it's portable, it's easy to use, takes inputs well. It is easier to use on a table than it is on your lap due to its size. That is one con I definitely have to bring out on this mini fight stick, is that it is a bit small. So if you are a person that needs a little bit more stability, I would say this is a good intro stick to see if if a fighting stick is for you before investing into a full-size stick. That said, it's definitely very serviceable as far as being able to pull off combos, super desperation moves in both Street Fighter, King of Fighters. I didn't have any problems. You can, of course, get the stick normally in just its black color. It comes in black, the red, which has Ryu and Ken on the graphics, or blue with Chun-Li and Cammy in the background. They're all really the same price. The only thing that would really stand out is whichever one goes on sale first. Like I said, both of these sticks fortunately go on sale pretty regularly, so it's an easy recommendation. The only other stick I think that might be better, but it's not released yet, so I can't say, would be the 8-bit Do arcade stick, which looks like it's retailing for about $89.99 as a suggested retail price. That is a great, it's a little higher, of course, the $30 more, but it does have more of a full-size arcade stick feel to it. That said, if I compare this to either my Razer Panthera or my Mad Catz stick, there's no question. Those other sticks are much better, but they of course do cost more. This stick is great for what it is. It's great for entry level, people that are new to using joysticks, or it's a good joystick for, again, when friends come over and you don't want to be conscious of maybe how badly they may be ruining your expensive stick. or if you're a traveler and every now and then you still want to do a quick fighting game and you don't want to pack a lot. Those are all great use instances for the stick whatsoever. Or if you want to make even a mini Switch bar top, this would be a great little kind of mini project. Get these arcade sticks and pop them in there. It's got a great design to them, so in that respect, it's a good buy. I definitely recommend this joystick. Thanks again for watching this quick review. Please let me know in the future if you would prefer a longer review, or if you prefer these kind of quick and succinct reviews. I do appreciate your feedback as well. So thanks everyone. Again, please like and subscribe.